What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the Laundromat to clean your money in Schedule 1. At some stage during the game, you'll start to earn enough that you can't actually deposit more money as you've reached your weekly deposit limit. That's what we need these businesses for. In order to purchase this business, you'll need to head all the way across to the realtor located down here. So from this building over here, you can speak to Ray inside and you can purchase a business for which we can then purchase the laundromat. At a stage, you can upgrade to the post office, the car wash, and taco ticklers. Pretty cool. Once you've purchased it, you can head all the way back to the laundromat located right here, now indicated with an icon on your map, and you can head inside now. Inside, you'll find the front, which is cool. We can head back into the staff only area, and you'll find a computer as well as a medium storage rack. At this computer, you can launder, so choose here, drag as much money as you have cash in hand, and just like that, over 24 hours, one in-game day, it'll place this amount of money into your bank. You can also place more money here if you haven't exactly reached the 2,000 per day limit for this area. That's it. Just like that, you're placing more money in your bank than you can through ATMs. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.